In front of me is REALME GT 60, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by selecting Photos app and clicking on Photos or Albums at the bottom. Either way, when you're ready, select your photos that you wish to delete, hold one of them, and to pick multiple right away, use Select All button at the top right corner. As you can see, all of my photos were successfully selected. If you want to keep some of them, tap on the chosen ones. And to get rid of the rest, use Delete button at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!